Welcome to Next Map. Today, we embark on a breathtaking journey through England's most stunning natural landscapes and charming villages. From rolling hills and ancient woodlands to historic cottages and coastal cliffs, let's explore the hidden beauty of this timeless land. Sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the peaceful splendor of England. Our journey begins in the heart of Cumbria, in the Lake District National Park, a land of endless beauty and poetic inspiration. Here, vast lakes mirror the sky, surrounded by majestic fells that whisper tales of history. The beauty of the Lake District is unparalleled, with its dramatic landscapes and peaceful villages. Each turn of the road unveils a new vista: rolling green hills, resting waters, and the occasional lone boathouse resting by the shore. It's a place where nature and history intertwine, offering serenity and adventure in equal measure. For centuries, the Lake District has inspired poets and painters, from William Wordsworth to Beatrix Potter. The region's mystical charm lingers in its misty mornings and golden sunsets, inviting travelers to lose themselves in its timeless embrace. Next, we travel to the Cotswolds, a region straight out of a fairy tale. With its honey-colored cottages, blooming gardens, and endless green hills, it's no wonder this place is considered one of the most picturesque destinations in England. The Cotswolds exude an air of tranquility, where time seems to slow down. Stone-built cottages with ivy-covered walls line the streets, and the distant chime of a church bell adds to the timeless charm. The region's beauty is not just in its landscapes, but in its rich history, where every village tells a story of old-world England. As the sun sets over the Cotswold Hills, the golden light bathes the villages in a warm glow. It's in these quiet moments, where the scent of fresh lavender fills the air, that one truly understands the magic of the English countryside. Heading south, we arrive at the Jurassic Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site stretching across 95 miles of breathtaking coastline. These ancient cliffs hold secrets of prehistoric life and offer some of the most dramatic views in England. The power of the ocean has sculpted this landscape for millions of years, leaving behind a coastline of staggering beauty. Here, the cliffs rise like great stone sentinels, standing watch over the restless sea. Fossils whisper of ancient creatures, long lost to time, hidden in the rock beneath our feet. Standing at the edge of Durdle Door, watching the waves crash against the limestone arch, one cannot help but feel the deep connection between land and sea. The rhythm of the tides, the cry of seabirds, and the salty breeze, it all combines to create an unforgettable experience. Cornwall, a land of myths and legends, welcomes us with its rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and charming harbors. This southwestern gem feels like another world, where time slows down and nature takes center stage. The raw beauty of Cornwall is best experienced at sunrise, when the first light of day illuminates the cliffs, casting long shadows over the restless ocean. Here, legends of King Arthur still linger in the ruins of Tintagel Castle, where history and myth become one. In the heart of a Cornish fishing village, the scent of the sea mingles with freshly baked pasties. Waves lap against the harbor walls as boats bob gently in the tide. It's a place where life moves to the rhythm of nature, untouched by the rush of modern times. In the north, the Yorkshire Dales offer a raw, untouched beauty. Here, time slows down among rolling hills, limestone caves, and quiet villages steeped in tradition. The Yorkshire Dales are a place of contrasts. Wild moorlands meet gentle meadows, and ancient stone walls weave through the landscape like a tapestry of the past. The silence here is profound, broken only by the rustling of the wind through the heather. As night falls over the Dales, the sky erupts in a sea of stars. This is one of the best places in England for stargazing, where the Milky Way stretches across the heavens, reminding us of the vastness of the world around us. The Peak District, England's first national park, is a land of rolling hills, dramatic gorges, and picturesque villages. It's a haven for hikers, nature lovers, and those seeking tranquility. The landscapes of the Peak District shift with the seasons: lush green in summer, a golden tapestry in autumn, and a frosty wonderland in winter. Each visit feels different yet always magical, offering a new perspective on England's timeless beauty. Walking through the valleys of the Peak District, you'll find hidden caves and ancient pathways. These trails have been walked for centuries, their footprints lost to time, yet their stories still linger in the quiet rustling of the leaves. As the sun sets over these breathtaking landscapes, we reflect on the timeless beauty of England's natural wonders and charming villages. Whether it's the misty lakes, golden countryside, or rugged coastline, each destination holds a unique charm, waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this journey through England's most beautiful places. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and stay inspired.